What's up, OMG Nation? Millennials. So, the reason I say that, I have been hearing other moto vloggers and folks in general talking about, ooh, let me pull this up right here, expose the shoulders, get a little sun on them, talking about Harley Davidson and the fact that they are marketing towards millennials now and their current customer base is feeling alienated. So I figured I'd weigh in. First and foremost, Harley Davidson is a for-profit company. They have to do whatever they think they need to do to make money. If that means marketing their motorcycle designs towards a younger crowd, then so be it. I am a firm believer in the market making corrections and adjusting. And if you don't understand what I mean by that, next time you go to a bike rally, a cruiser bike rally, and you look out to see what the sea of people look like in there, the majority of people who ride Harley Davidsons, I would say, all have the same look. I don't fall into that category necessarily and completely. I feel like I just, you know, I don't wear leather chaps. I actually did buy a leather jacket, which is not normal for me, but I saw one that looks like, that's for another day, but I saw one that looks like I could wear it on the motorcycle and off the motorcycle, so it will have a dual purpose for me. But that's another vlog on another day. So back to what I was saying about the market. For any company that bases their profit on sales, which is most, they have to follow market trends. Now, can they step outside of that and try to change and shift the market? Absolutely they can. It either works or it does not work. They'll make changes, they being Harley Davidson. They'll either work for them, they'll make a lot of money and continue to make changes, or they won't work for them and people will stop buying their motorcycles. Don't complain, there are other options out there. That's just, I mean, I find it ridiculous when people say, oh, but I don't want to get an Indian. Well, why not? It's a good motorcycle. If you don't like your Harley anymore, then get something else. Don't complain about it. And I don't know, maybe here is something, pay attention, Harley Davidson, if you're listening, here's an idea, and maybe you do this, I don't know. If it's already out there, then maybe you should market better. I don't know. So here's a thought. I know that there are Harley Davidson flat track motorcycles. How about a Harley Davidson dirt bike? Why not go after that crowd? Continue to do what you're doing. Make a Harley Davidson dirt bike. You know, I know they came out with the live wire and they were looking for a specific type of motorcycle enthusiast, but I think the price point was way above what those folks are willing to spend. That's just kind of, but it doesn't bother me at all. They either make a bike that you like or they don't. If you like something different, let's just say in 2021 they came out and they redesigned the Harley Davidson motorcycle, any of them, just pick one. Say it was a street glide or a road glide, it looked completely different than normal. For instance, like the C8 Corvette, the new 2020 C8 Corvette. Some folks love them. I think they're amazing looking. I've heard about other people who've owned tons of Corvettes that are saying, oh, they ruined it. How? It looks beautiful. So let's just say Harley did something like that and it was a complete redesign. If you like it, get it. If you don't, buy something else. If there's not another option, then guess what? Go to a different company. The market will correct itself. You are the market. You have the ultimate say, the final say. every single motorcycle rider out there has the final say on if a company's product will make it or not. That's just like my channel. You guys have the final say whether this channel takes off or doesn't. So I don't know, those are my thoughts on it. You know, I just don't care that, like, the I guess some folks were up in arms over the look of the FXDR. I mean, I thought it was kind of cool looking. I didn't know there was anything that I want, and I think I said that before, but it's still cool looking. It's a little hot. Who knows? Most millennials should be able to afford something, because don't most of them still live at home anyways? I kid. It's a joke. Calm down. Oh, brother. Anyways, you guys tell me down in the comments, what are your thoughts? I'm just a firm believer in market correction. And like I said, if you don't know it, you're the market. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you on the next episode.